Looking for a healthy and tasty breakfast recipe? I have the perfect dish in mind. Hi, I'm Nidhi Mohan and I'm a nutritionist. Well, you must be thinking, millet se to boring khana banega. So let me show you my most interesting breakfast recipe, that is buckwheat porridge. That I'll make in my LG charcoal healthy oven. This oven is Wi-Fi enabled and lets you cook any recipe with just a scan. So all I have to do is scan the QR code, access the LG recipes menu, select the recipe and press start. So while I wait, let me go back to my workout. देखने में perfect और क्या खुशबू है. See, following a healthy millet diet is super convenient now.